Um, and just how do you find them? You just look. Look for cracks or soot marks where they shouldn't be. If you want, use a little soapy water and look for bubbles. Um, Another thing you can do, we do this, is use a temperature gun. If you have an infrared temperature gun, and look at the exhaust temps before and after suspected leak points. A large temperature drop always indicates a leak. And you can also listen. Do you hear the exhaust hissing out of this tiny crack somewhere? Um, if you do find a leak, tighten loose clamps, replace cracked bellows pipes down from the turbo, and check your sensors that they're not loose. And if you have failed regens, consider giving us a call. If you have questions about exhaust leaks or something's been vexing you, give us a call or a text anytime, 404 999 1361.